Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, Masters in Selenium. Today we are going to learn write a program to swap a two numbers. First by using a third variable and second by without using third variable. Okay, so I am using Eclipse IDE to write the program here. Before writing the program, we will understand what are the logic we need to implement in our code to swap two numbers. Okay, so I'll open Notepad here. The first one is by using third variable. Okay, so I have to take three variables here. So list of variables equal to 5 to okay, and we are using a third variable, so I need to take third variable here. So I am taking third variable as temp. I am using a local variable, I need to initialize it. Okay, so the A is a input variable, same B will be the input variable, and temp will be a temporary variable to store the value. Okay, and the logic part to be implemented the code. Okay, first of all I need to store the a value in a temporary variable. So temp equal to a. So the temp value initially is 0. Now I am assigning the value of a to temporary variable. Now the temp variable, the value will be equal to a. So the temp variable value will be 5. Okay. The second step is a equal to b. Okay. In this step, the value of b is assigned to a. What is the value of b here? 7. So it assigned to a. So now the value of a will become 7. The first step is b equal to temp. So the value of temp variable is assigned to value of b. Then the value of b will become temp value is 5. The value of temp is assigned to b. So the value of b will become 5. So the value of a is 7 and value of b is 5. So initially the value of a is 5 and initially the value of b is 7. After swapping, the value of a become 7 and the value of b become 5. Okay, this is the logic we need to write in the code. Okay, so we'll write in the code. So we take three variables. A int a is equal to 5, int b equal to 7, and int, so we are taking a temporary variable, we are initializing with 0 as it is a local variable. Okay, this program is by using third. Okay, so we are taking the logic part here. Okay, first of all I need to print the values before swapping. What is the value of a and value of b before swapping? I will print the value of a and of a the value of B2. Okay. Now logic part. What is the logic we need to use here? First is temp A, that is temporal variable temp is equal to A, and second step in our logic is A is equal to B. The third step is B is equal to temp is equal to temp. Okay. After swapping, I want to see the values. Print the values here. So is after swapping. Okay. Yeah. See, the value of A is 5 initially, and the value of B is 7. After swapping, the value of A become 7 and value of B become 5. Okay. So this is the logic we need to implement to swap two numbers by using a third variable. Okay. Now we will we'll see other approach, that is by using without using third variable. Means I'm not using the temp variable here. Okay, I'll remove this. Okay, here list of variables. So we are using only two variables, that is input one, int A equal to 5, int B equal to 7. So we are not using any third variable, so no need to initialize, no need to take the value temp here. Okay, now I need to make A as 7, a value of 7, a value of A as 7 and value of B as 5. Okay, now we will see the logic part which should be implemented in the code. Logic be implemented for code. Okay, so first simply understand that A equal to A plus B, first step in the logic. Second step will be B is equal to A minus B. Third step is A equal to A minus B. Okay, we will see what exactly it mean by. So actually A equal to A plus B. A value is 5 plus B value is 7. So the new value of A is 12. Second step is B is equal to A minus B. Equal to A minus B. Here, what is A value of here is 12. So 12 minus B. The B value here 7. So the B value will be here 5. So which is the value of A initially? So now the B value become as 5. Okay. First step in our logic is A equal to A minus B. So what is the value of A here? 12 minus what is the value of B is 5. Okay. So 12 minus 5. It will be 7. Okay. So after implementing this logic, the value of A is 7, the value of b is 5. So swapping is done. Okay, let's implement this logic in our program. Okay, so here I need not need have the third variable. So we are using by using without using third variable. Okay, so I no need of temp here. Okay, and the logic should be changed. What is the logic we need to implement here? First step in the logic is a is equal to a plus b. Second step is, second step in our logic, b is equal to a minus b. What is the third step? Third step is a is equal to a minus b. Okay, so I am printing the a and b value before swapping and after swapping. Okay, save it and run it. Yeah, the initial value of a is 5 and initial value of b is 7. After swapping, the value of a become 7 and value of b become 5. Okay, so this is the logic we need to implement if we are using without using the third variable. Okay, if you like this video, please click on like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.